Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In the anime My Hero Academia, a character named Gran Torino likes eating taiyaki. For anyone that hasn't seen My Hero Academia yet, it is a very good anime and I highly recommend it. So in this video, I attempted to make Nutella Taiyaki using an electric taiyaki maker that I got on Amazon. In the mixing bowl, I added all of the ingredients together mixed well. Then, I preheated the taiyaki maker for about 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, I put the batter into each taiyaki cavity and filled the center with Nutella. Then, I put a little bit more batter on top of it. Next, I baked it for about 5 minutes. My first attempt was unsuccessful. However, I succeeded on my second attempt because I put less Nutella in the center. It looked and tasted so delicious. So have you tried taiyaki before? If so, what taiyaki flavor do you like? Anyways, I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.